So, welcome back, and I'm going to talk about an invisible installer. The invisible installer. Let me tell you a story. Imagine your computer is a huge city. Now, in this city, every time you want new software, say WinRAR, VLC, Python, anything, what do you usually do? You open a browser, you search, you scroll, you avoid fake download packages, you pray, you click the right button, you download, you click next 15 times, you uncheck that weird tool checkbox. You hope nothing suspicious got installed. You just did the job of three departments: research team, security team, and installation engineer, and you did it manually. And here why the magic happens. Here's where the magic begins. And here where the magic begins. A package manager is like hiring a professional logistic company for your city. Instead of wandering around the internet, the package manager already has a verified catalog of software, trusted download sources, exact version numbers, cryptographic signatures, silent installation instruction, upgrade paths, installation path, and uninstallation path. It is not just downloading, it is running an entire supply chain. Let's say you type winget install WinRAR. It is a code. What actually happens? Behind the scene, step 1, it checks its official catalog. Not Google, not ads, a maintained registry. Step 2, it finds the exact package entry. That entry includes official download URL, version number, SHA-256 checksum, installer type, silent install switches, accept expected exit codes. Step 3, it downloads from the official source. Step 4, it verifies the checksum. This ensures that file wasn't modified. Step 5, it verifies the digital signature. It checks who signed the installer. If signature doesn't match, installation stops. Step 6, it runs the installation silently. No pop-ups. No next finish. No surprise browser extension. No surprise browser extension. Step 7, it logs everything. If something fails, it knows why. Step 8, it registers that software as installed. So later when you type Winget upgrade, it scans all installed packages, checks newer versions in its catalog, and updates that safely. You didn't install one app, you joined an ecosystem. Now, here's the part most people don't realize. Package managers are not download tools. These are state managers. They maintain a database of what is installed, what version, from where, with what method. Your system becomes predictable, and predictability is power. Think about this. If you get a new laptop tomorrow, instead of reinstalling 25 apps manually, you can run one script, one line, one line of script. Windows install app 1, app 2, app 3, app 4. 10 minutes later, your machine becomes identical to your old one. This is infrastructure thinking. Now, here's the funniest thing: The average person thinks typing a command is harder than clicking. But the reality, clicking is chaos. Commands are control. When you click, you hope. When you use the package managers, you instruct. Now, let me tell you what's really beautiful. Every package entry is like a recipe. It says where to get ingredients, how to verify freshness, how to cook it silently, what success looks like, how to remove it safely, cleanly. It's not magic, structure, knowledge. And when you build your own AI desktop agent, you are essentially building a dynamic package manager without reason. You are essentially building a dynamic package manager with reasoning. You are not teaching it to click, you are teaching it to check catalogs, prefer safe sources, validate integrity, choose silence method, confirm state changes. This is real automation. So next time someone opens the browser, scrolls through ads and manually installs software, you will know something they don't. You you will you will know something they don't. You will know that behind one simple command is an entire orchestration engine or orchestration engine handling trust, security, versioning, and lifecycle. It is not about saving clicks. It's about upgrading your relationships with your machine from user to operator and eventually to architect. That's what's really going on. And once you understand that, you will never install software the old way again. That's it for today, guys. This was all about the package managers like Winjit, Chocolatey. That's it. So I think you got the point about what really the package manager is. It's for us. It is the convenience tool. So I hope you will use this type of package managers in your near future. So till then, I will be meeting you in the next topic. So let's make this session end. I will be in the next one. Thank you, Alstra Bros.